Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style coconut chutney. We just need only a few ingredients. We can make this tasty chutney in 10 minutes. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 5 red chillies, 1 inch size ginger, 3 shallots, 1 small lemon sized tamarind, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of grated coconut, 7 to 8 curry leaves. Then grind it slightly like this. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix everything well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala style coconut chutney for rice is ready. We just have taken only 10 minutes for this tasty recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.